Edit this one, but this will be out the 14th of February. Oh, it's is that Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
God dang it! I should have did something stupid. You're gonna deal with it. And stop fast forwarding. You know who you are. Stop. All right, time for a yard bird challenge. Let's get in there and get some chicken. That's what she said. Hello, I'm here for that challenge. For 2 p.m. Yeah, I'm early.
Yeah, you can.
Where
Where do you want to sit?
Wherever you want me at so you can watch me.
It's probably going to be the same room anyway, so you could find a table. Do you
Okay.
want in the middle, or do you want by the tree?
Middle would be good. Well, you know what? If I can do there, because I'm going to face that way maybe.
Sure. I have to sit and watch it anyway, so.
Okay, thank you.
I'll come and wipe it off here, too.
Okay,
Do you want
no
something
worries.
to drink while you're waiting?
Just the water, no ice.
You bet.
Thank you. Oh, baby. Edit this one, but this will be out the 14th of February. Oh, it's is that Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
God dang it! I should have did something stupid. Okay, it's Valentine's Day and I have a Christmas on. Yeah, that's me.
You and me both.
Okay. All right. Well. Hello, everyone. I'm at the Keg Chicken. We're in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. This is my second challenge here as a resident. I'm a South Dakotian. I think they South Dakotan. Is that Dakotan? South Dakotian sounds even crazier. So, but we're here doing the yard bird chicken challenge. As you know, I've had plenty of chickens, slept with them, and that far as it went. And we have 16 pieces, and you can go. What's the tender one?
2 pounds.
2 pounds. So how many? Just like just 2 pounds?
12.
Roughly 12 tenders you can do, but they're the same price. They're $53 plus government tax, so $5,053. The government needs their cut too. So we got 16 pieces of chicken. We got a pound of fries. We can go with, what else can we go? We got baked beans and potato salad, and you can go with coleslaw as well. So you can pick coleslaw, or you got to have 2 of the 3. And I got some side. They make their house Southwestern and the house ranch, but for some reason she didn't want me to taste the ranch, so I don't have it on here. It's okay. We got honey barbecue, honey garlic, Southwestern, and we have the honey mustard. So, okay, we have 45 minutes to eat this. If I eat it, I get the milk free. And what else?
A t-shirt and you get a picture with their big belt.
Okay, a t-shirt and a picture with the big belt. Okay. Well, my friend Randy Randog Santel's done this in around 17 minutes and some change. This is a lot of food for that, so he must have been really hungry. I do want to thank them, before I start this, I want to thank them for not making this double the size. Because if you saw last week's video, that's all I'm going to say. If you didn't see it, you got to see the video. Okay, we are about to start. I'm pretty sure they got to close today sometime, so I'm going to go ahead and get going.
Let me know when you're ready.
Sure. Well, let me get the fries over here. I got to get the timer this direction. There we go. Okay. Well, oh, it's still kind of hot. I got to go. I got to do something. Oh, they're hot as crap. Yeah, they're hot as crap. I get paid in my mouth, folks, and you do not want to mess that up because you got to pay the bills. I guess I'm going to have to try to do it anyway when it's hot. Not the stupidest thing I've done. Do they do it usually hot?
Yeah, we cook everything to order.
No, I'm saying, do the people that start this?
Yeah. You can rip them up, kind of let the heat out a little bit if you want.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'll get an excuse. I'm eating it crazy hot. How about that? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, it didn't go. God dang it. Why didn't it go? I'm already gonna get kicked out of here. 1, 2, 3.
Ready?
We're going. Okay. Crowd's going wild already.
Make it happen.
You can shake your head if that's not good.
Nope, that's good.
Okay. She said this is good, folks, so shut the hell up. Some of you guys want me to suck this bone for 10 minutes, and that's not this kind of channel. It is some good chicken, folks. It's like light, crispy. Feels like you're on a diet when you're eating this. Was that in there good? So I can complain about my meat on my bones?
Nope, that looks good to me.
I mean, is that good on this camera?
Yes.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay.
See it.
Or rub it in their face, the ones that complain. I'm saving some of this on the bone so I can like pull off. A chicken bone in my mouth. There we go. I'll just eat that little wing bone. If you see anything over there with too much meat, you let me know, and I'll get to it. Oh yeah, garlic. Oh yeah. That open. All my fans are calling in to see if I'm here. That's what's happening. Okay. Woo! Yeah, hot. Try this all Western. Oh, that honey, garlic. Can't top that, I think. Might need some of that to go with a straw. Where am I at? Okay. Yeah, buffet too, every day, 11 to 2 here, folks, a buffet. Ah. Hot. Okay. Well, I'm gonna be smart about it. Ooh. Apologize, guys. It's Valentine's Day today that you're watching this, but it is before Christmas. Well, that's why I'm wearing this, all these ornaments on my hairy chest. I'm a negative 12 tonight, and I'm going to go camping the night after that in a tent for my Outdoors channel. Please subscribe to that. Tell you what, if I was going to ask for double or have double, like somebody would double the challenge on me, I would rather this one than the nacho. I was yesterday's challenge. That came out last week. Okay. I got to keep going back to this honey garlic. Oh man. I I guess I could be eating this potato salad that cooled my mouth off too, right? I know you guys hit that like button already. I can tell. If you forgot, it's not an excuse anymore. If you don't like the video, I don't understand why you're watching. For my looks. I know. Mm. Oh, it's juicy. That's just dripping. Okay. Oh. Some of you can get, folks. Excuse me. Well, good. Huh? The judges on the camera, they'll say, you failed. As you see, it doesn't bother me any. Well, it's just everything in one bowl. Excuse me. Okay, now there's a little elbow room. Still see that timer? Where we at? 10 something? Oh, 12. We gotta hurry up. What you got fries to do? These are hot. Really hot. Okay. The cook ain't gonna like that. All them fries. What is it? Excuse me. Okay, what time now? Ugh.
Fry balls.
What up? Oh. Mmm. Ah. All right. That's 17:44. I'm not really sure exactly what his time was. I know it's 17 something, but I'm in the 17 range. I'll put his time up right now. What his time is when I see his video, but whew, that was very difficult to eat it that fast because it was a good challenge. That chicken was cooked really good. So, excuse me, when you got a name like Chicken on your name of your building, you probably want to cook it good, and they know what they're doing. So I do appreciate them. You do want to give them a 24-hour notice to do this. Don't just walk on in, 24-hour notice. So I appreciate them for having me. Appreciate them for letting me do this challenge today. And tomorrow's a day off. Then I'm going camping on my other channel for 4 days, 5 days. So thanks very much for checking this video out. Please like the video if you like it. If you don't, screw you. Subscribe if you haven't already, and share it to friends, family, even your boss. Talk to you later.